price, but 2,800 have been ordered in this show. What you're looking at is our one-time only, so in about 7 minutes, the price is going to go up. This is from Wicker Park, and this is their Bougainvillea wreath, 21 inches. It's been really popular at the $61 price, but because this is our first in the garden for 2025, we wanted to do something jaw-dropping. We cut this price by 2/3. You could now buy 3 of these for the cost of 1. We took the $61 wreath and made it 5 easy payments of $4. So it says $61, $19.99. Here are your colors. We've already started to sell out of colors. This is the pink. It is a beautiful hot pink. Here it is in the orange and yellow, which is so pretty. This even works great for, like, say, harvest, right? If you wanted to get this now and enjoy it, but imagine in the fall. Come over here, I wanna show it to you. This is our light pink and white for spring. I think it's so beautiful. And I'm just gonna take it off and hold it. I wanna show you. We'll show you the back in a moment, that's important. But here's your light pink and white. In the light pink and white, we only have 450 to go around, and then that's it. And then back here, we have the pink and purple. So pink and purple, we have just under 1,000. Now I want to show you something with these. So first of all, here's why they're $61, even though you're going to get them home for 1/3 of the price. Because this is a 5-year fade resistant guarantee. So even if you put these someplace where they're going to get hot baking sun, or outside and you leave them out in the winter and they get rained on and snow and sleet, they look like this 5 years on, and even beyond. We only had them to test them for 5 years, so probably even longer. If you want to hang these on a mirror, or you want to hang them indoors on, above a fireplace, you don't want these to be really heavy. They're nice and lightweight, but they're super, super lush. It's the perfect width. Do you see this? Easy to hang. So if you wanted to put this on a door that had a screen door or a storm door, you can still hang this underneath. In the pink and white choice, we have 400 left, that is it. Orange, yellow just sold out, so that is now gone. And in the pink in the back here, we have 500. Now here's what's really cool. If you just put these on a table and put some candles in here or something, look how lush and plush and realistic and pretty this looks. You can put this indoors on a holiday table, maybe your dining room table, put some candles here or a vase. But you know what else you can do? You can just pop this on your outdoor furniture, and it doesn't matter how much sun it gets, it's gonna look fine. And then here's something else cool. We designed these to be, this is the back, we designed these to be lightweight, so if you hang them, you can hang them from basically anything. But there are little clips in here that if you want to clip 2 of them together, there's actually, clip is really the wrong word. There's, let me see if I can find it. Oh, right here, let me show you. So right here, do you see that little, it's like a little pin basically. Those will go together. So now if you get 2, I'm doing 2 different colors obviously, but you can do 2 of the same colors. You can just snap these together, and now if you have French doors where you're in a situation where you can see it on both sides, you can certainly do that. 2 is still going to be $40. 1 used to be $61. And I just want to show you, if you have 2 together, I mean, it is so lush and pretty. Let me show you the colors before they're all gone. This is our pink and purple. Pink and purple, I have 800 left, and then it's gone. Only show at this price. Even if we do have a few left, it's going back up, and this is a $61 wreath. In the pink and white, we have 250, and in the pink, we have 450. If this is in your cart on QVC.com, I'm gonna urge you to check out. If it stays in your cart beyond the end of this show, the price is going up. This is the only show at this price. They are beautiful. If you've ever purchased Wicker Park before, you know they're virtually indestructible, and really with you in mind. What good is a wreath if it's so heavy that if you want to try and hang it off of a 3M hook on a mirror, wouldn't that be pretty? It doesn't stay up. Or if you have a storm door and you want to shut the door won't close. We give you wreaths that look so lush and plush, but are not so heavy. And then if you want to snap 2 together and make one giant wreath for like maybe a French door when you see it both ways, you can certainly do that. But this is the only show at this price. When I say goodbye to you, the price goes up. So here's what's left: pink and purple, white and pink, which you're about to see on a door. And then here it is in the pink, and that's the brighter pink. Look how pretty it looks. $61 wreath is now 5 easy payments of $4. Now, when we started, when I walked out here, I gotta tell you, it was kind of boring looking.